the south side of Oregon. It's beautiful out here. The atmosphere is great. And
it was out here, I think, about 60.
Your car. All right, guys, you ready?
I'll go yell for you.
All right, yo, 1, 2, 3.